US to take preventive measures against Palestinians. Netanyahu secures votes to form next Israeli government. Turkey's finance minister US President meet in Washington. Anti-Daesh conference kicks off in Bahraini capital. Russia and Arab state holds cooperation forum in Moscow. Bomb blast injures 17 soldiers in Iraq's Fallujah. Haftar obstruction dialogue in Libya, Qatari foreign minister. Sudan ruling council takes aim at Bashir era officials. Iran FM visits Damascus for talks with Syria's Assad. Egypt parliament to vote on charter change. Indonesia to vote in general presidential elections. Afghan government big delegation to meet Taliban in Qatar.